Okay, so basically we are over here right now, line number 3. Another things that's always appear in a C programming is a main, right? We just written over here main, isn't it? You can see over here we just written as a main. Okay, so what that main? Okay, see over here, that is a function that is called what? Function. Any code inside it's a curly bracket will be a execute, right? Means whatever I'm writing inside the code will be a execute. Right now let's say return the code. Okay, now after that I'm returning over here one statement that is called the print statement. Okay, now what is the statement? If suppose simply I talk, see, I am saying I am a boy, right? Or I am a professor. So what? Right now I am saying something statement, isn't it? So what happened right now? Our children, miss our programmer, our computer are right now talking whatever we are saying to him. Okay, let's say to him print f. Okay, print f inside of the bracket. Okay, I inside of the bracket we need to write, but before that don't forget to use to the giving to a semicolon. Semicolon is important. Okay, after I'm going inside using by these quotes, double quotes we have. Okay, double quote we want, and inside write hello world, what you exactly want to say to your computer, or what is exactly you want to be a listen from your computer, right? Isn't it? So hello, WORLD, world, right? Isn't it? So hello world we return. So this is exactly our statement that is called printing statement. Okay, line number 4. Let's go also. Line number 4. Printf is a function used to output print text to the your screen. In our example, it will be a output as the hello world. Okay, now this is be done. After that, simply we need to write in the fifth line return turn space 0. Okay, why it's important? Because it's a saying it's your and your program over here or code over here. Let's see also the line number 5, return 0 ends the main function. Getting? Okay, now we done that. Okay, last they are saying do not forget to add the closing curly bracket to actually end the main function. Means curly bracket we already closed, right? Isn't it? Now let's run your program. You can see it's your first program. Which one you are routing that? Say hello world or say something, and they done. You can see the output. Okay, that exactly. After that, we are going to the next concept that is called the statement. Okay, statement means what? How we can say to the different statement from you can take the chair. Okay, so what happened? You can give to the statement different. Like if suppose I want to say as a, you can take as a chair one kind of statement. Okay, so we can do that. Okay, now see over here. Let's start it that if a computer program, it's a list of the instruction to be executed by the computer. In a programming language, these programming instructions are called as the statement. Okay, the following statement instruct the compiler to the print the text hello world to the screen. Okay, it is the important that you end the statement with the semicolon. Okay, if you are forgetting to the semicolon, an error will be occurring in your programming will not run. Okay, now let's see again back what happened. If suppose they are saying if I'm forgetting my semicolon after my statement, what happened? It will be showing you error. Even see the error what showing. This is a syntax error. Okay, and what happened? We are forgetting over here semicolon where Naya, right? Perfect. So let's use your semicolon and let's write another statement. So print f inside of the bracket. I want to write that that is suppose anything like what that hello world. Okay, and down I want to write welcome to world of computer. Okay, Now don't forget to use a semicolon over here. Okay. Now it's suppose it is coming to the next line. That not means we are writing in the next line. Okay. It just what happened over here. We don't have the space. That's why we are seeing over here. Okay. Now see if we are not putting no semicolon we done. After that what happened? We are writing to the a printing statement second one and you can see we can run our program. You can see able to I can right now able to write a two statement but the problem is one statement is over here and second statement also coming in the same line. So what we can do, we can apply before our one statement inside of your quotation, okay, inside of your quotes we are writing over here backward slash n. You can see backward slash n, and what happen, it will be automatically going to your second line. Okay, this is a meaning I want to write a next statement into the next line. That is called the backward slash n. Okay, now we done that. Okay, let's go to the next theory. Okay, it's a theory, not it's a practical. Okay, after that, what? Comments. Okay. Comments means what? Comments can be used to explain a code and to make it a more readable. Okay. It can also be used to prevent execution when a testing alternatively code. Comments can be single line comment and the multiple line comments. Okay, now let me clear that what is the comment. Simply, I am right now discussing one scenario. Okay, suppose we all are everyone working in the Google industry. Okay, Google company. What happened, Google having to the not only the one floor, they have to the 10, 20, 30 floors in one building, right? And even not one building only we have, maybe 4 or 5 buildings together are making as a one office, right? So if I am writing something code, after that I'm delivering to another next person, that person maybe is not sitting by your side, right? He's sitting maybe another building and another somewhere what that floor, right? Isn't it? So what happened? How we can able to understand your code? So simply we are putting to the comments. Okay, now let me put to the comments. See, suppose we have to the for comment purpose, we have to the two types of comment. One is a single line comment and second is a multiple line comment. Okay, now see over here, single line comment. We can write our comment anywhere inside of the code, up, down, anywhere. Okay. Suppose I'm writing over here slash. We are using single line comments using by double slash. You can see slash done. Okay. It's a forward slash, not a backward slash. See, this one is a backward slash and this one is a forward slash. So I am double forward slash and after that I am writing anything, suppose anything, or suppose I want to say that it's header, sorry, header part. Okay, means what? This is the header part. We want to say that. Even when you run this program, you can see it's just showing properly output, but you can see whatever you are returning inside of that, you cannot able to see in your output section. So comments only for us purpose. We are the developers, right? So we need to only understand what is the meaning of that code and that purpose we are returning as a comment. And when we are writing to the comment, we that comment we cannot able to see in the output section. It's only for the developer and developer purpose. Are you getting clear? So single line comment and after that we have to the multiple line comments. Let me write over here down multiple right comments. Forward slash after star star and the forward slash. Again I'm going to the in middle and using enter button and I can write whatever I want. Suppose this is my code. Okay, I have two statements, right? See, this is the multiple lines I done. Right now, even if you can run that, you can see it's a program properly executed and that comments whatever I return means a single line comment and the multiple line comments, it's a skipping that line. Are you getting? It's not a reading my computer. So that is exactly the comment. Okay. After this comment, we are going to the next one that is called the variable. Now, what is the variable? Okay, variable are a container for storing data, values like numbers and the